Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Senpai, you know what I'm saying, bro? I'm back with another anime AMV, dog, you feel me? Today, bro, I got reincarnated. Time I got reincarnated as a slime, Orc Disaster AMV, with the song Hey Mama on it. I don't know what the fuck song that is, but yeah. But y'all already know I called you love. We get straight to the videos. Like, just the like button, comment more videos down below, hit that sub button. Let me show y'all my website right quick, man, before you feel me. You feel me? Y'all see it, man. Otaku Emporium, y'all see it. I only got one thing up there right now, but I'm working on a design. I want y'all to look at the design right quick. Tell me y'all fuck with it or not. You feel me? This is the front of it, right? This is the front. My Photoshop ain't tripping, but this is the back. But I'm going to take the sample out thing, words. I think I'm going to take the words out of it because it look crazy. Like, I don't like the font and shit. But y'all, if y'all think I should keep the words in there, let me know, you feel me? But yeah, I'm coming out with new designs, bro. You feel me, bro? I'm working, bro. I'm doing some shit, though. You feel me? But yeah, so y'all check that out. You know what I'm saying? Link to my website gonna be in the description. But without further ado, let's get into this AMV, man. Y'all gonna fuck with the clothes. I'm telling you, bro. I'm gonna have sweatpants, jogging, all type of shit. I got y'all, bro. Might make hats, you hear me? Hats that say Senpai out with a little sign. Yeah, I got y'all. Oh, I know this song. What's the Orc Disaster? Is this when all these niggas got slaughtered or something? Why is all this? He's scrapping though. Is that? Damn. Okay. Nigga just cut his shit off. Oh, he's alive? I just witnessed this nigga cut his shit off. Some of these niggas on this shit is OD as hell, bro. Niggas just ran by a whole bunch of niggas took out a sword once and they all just dropped. Damn. He just cut his shit off. Yeah. Wait, is it the same person that was in the armor? And he just outside the armor now? Okay. Damn. Another person from my car.
Hey babe, check this out.
My fault. Gotta get my car fixed and shit. My fault. But that was time I got reincarnated as slime Orc Disaster AMV. Hey mama, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Maybe you did. Hit that thumbs up. Comment more videos down below. Hit that sub button, bro. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Simple out.